Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on an Epson XP-452. Now if you're not already on the home screen of the printer with this shown, just press this home button on the left and you'll be there. So from this screen we're going to use the arrows to move ourselves along till we get to setup. So just press OK to go into there, and then ink levels is the very top option, so you press OK and you've got here the estimated ink levels of black, yellow, magenta and cyan displayed. Now you can either press OK to be done with it, or press down and OK to go directly into cartridge replacement if there's anything you want to change to diagnose a print quality issue or similar. I'm going to press OK and we're done. Now I hope you found this useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. We've got lots of other videos for this printer available on our channel, so it might be worthwhile checking those out too. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.